Pistachio paste, chocolate, and Kataifi pastry makes this delicious and infamous Dubai chocolate. While the original is a bar, I've made some individual chocolates that are just as perfect as a gift or just to enjoy yourself. Start with the Kataifi dough. I buy mine frozen, I let it defrost, and then I work on the pastry to separate all of the strands. Spend some time picking through them so they are not all clumped up together. For this recipe, you will only need 250 grams. I'm going to heat 100 grams of butter and I'm going to add in the Kataifi pastry. Cook this on a low to medium heat until it's brown but not burnt. And once it's golden brown, remove it and keep it aside. For the filling, I'm going to be using this gorgeous and luscious pistachio cream. I've just opened a brand new jar, but if yours has been refrigerated, just zap it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. To 1 cup of pistachio cream, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of tahini or sesame paste. This is totally optional, but I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of crushed pistachios. I'm using salted pistachios since it adds a really nice contrast to the sweet filling. Add all of the roasted pastry in batches and fold it in to mix in with the pistachio cream. I have a double boiler here, and because I'm first going to melt a small amount of chocolate colored melts, I've just got 2 bowls that I've set on top of some water, and this is a great way to melt the chocolate. I'm melting about 1/2 cup approximately of each color. Once melted, I'm just going to splash them into my mini brownie silicone tray. You always want to use silicone as it's the best to release the chocolate. I've chosen off-white and blue, but you can use any color combo that you like, and you can also totally omit this step. The cavities of the silicone mold are 1.3 by 1.3 by 0.6 inches, which makes it a perfect 2-bite treat. You can also make this in an extra deep chocolate bar mold. Allow this to set and harden in the fridge for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to dry the bowl and I'm going to add in some dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate and this is what I'm using, but you can use milk chocolate if you prefer. You can also melt this in the microwave, but I like the consistency of heating chocolate in a double boiler, and it's also great to keep it warm and in its liquid state. Once the chocolate has melted, pour some into each cavity and then either use a small knife to coat the sides, or you can just roll it around to coat the bottom and the sides. Allow this to set and harden in the fridge. Now take the filling and press it into the cavities. Make sure to fill the cavity as much as possible or you will be using a lot more chocolate. Melt more dark chocolate and pour it over to cover the filling. Using an offset spatula, I just like to smooth it out. Now it's time to put this back into the fridge for about an hour or so till the chocolate hardens around the filling. Unmolding these little chocolates are super easy. Just press them and they will come right out. I've trimmed the edges with a knife. This recipe uses about 600 grams of dark chocolate. This is roughly 6 bars, and this will yield 45 mini chocolates. And I've reserved all of the chocolate shards either to decorate another dessert or to melt down again the next time I make a batch. If this wasn't gorgeous enough, I am going to add some edible gold glitter and finish off with some edible gold leaf. It's Dubai chocolate after all. Enjoy!